Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. This is part 23 of Python tutorial course using Jupyter Notebook. In this tutorial, how to delete the records using stored procedures. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. Before writing the coding part in Python to delete the records using stored procedure, first we'll check the table. The table name is the EMP table, which contains 4 columns. I want to delete the particular employee record based on the EMP IDs using stored procedures in Python. And I have created this EMP table in the sample DB database. First, before writing the coding part in Python to delete the record, first we'll create a new stored procedure. Notice here in the sample DB database there is a procedures folder. Click that one. Come to the bottom, click add routine. Let's give the routine name. Stored procedure name is EMP del is my stored procedure name, and the type is a procedure only, which is a stored procedure, and the parameters here I'm declaring only one input parameter, which is the employee ID. I want to delete the employee record based on the employee ID. So here the direction is in and the name is EMP underscore ID. This is the integer type, employee IDs. Now let's write the coding part here. Begin and now between this begin and end, write the code. Now between this begin and end, write the statement to delete the record. Delete from EMP table where EMP ID. Let's expand this EMP table columns. EMP ID is equals to, I am adding this variable EMP ID. Let's add the semicolon. That's it. Let's click go, and the procedure is created successfully. Notice here EMP del, and also at the top the routine stored procedure EMP del has been created successfully. Now let's call this EMP del procedure, stored procedure, in Python to delete the record. I'm using Jupyter Notebook to write the Python code. Click new, Python 3. Let's give the proper name for this notebook. Stored procedure, delete record. Click rename. Now when we are dealing with a particular database, we need to install that database packages here. Let's install fast. Pip install MySQL client. Let's run this command. And here we got a message, requirement already satisfied, and below that we got a note, you may need to restart this kernel to use these updated packages. Let's restart the kernel, restart. So once I restart this kernel, it's time to write the coding part. Import MySQL DB. Once I import the MySQL DB package, the class, now I can able to access the methods of this MySQL DB. I'm declaring a variable DB is equals to this DB variable I'm using to connect my database. So MySQL DB dot connect method between double quotes. This connect method takes 4 parameters. The first one is a host name, which is a local host, comma. The second parameter is a user ID, which is a root, and the third parameter is the password. I don't have any password to log into my PHP MyAdmin database, so I'm leaving blank here. If you have any password, please enter that one. And the last parameter is the database name. The database name is the sample DB database. Let's copy this one and paste between these double quotes. Once we got the connection string, next we have to call and execute the stored procedure using the cursor method. So let's declare the variable execute cursor is equals to db.cursor method. Then execute cursor is equals dot to call the store procedure in Python. We use call proc method, and this call proc method, between single quotes I'm adding my store procedure name, which is empdel. My store procedure name, let's add that one, empdel, comma. Now the parameter, this store procedure takes a single parameter, which is the employee ID. So for that I'm declaring another variable emp underscore id is equals to input enter employee id. Now let's copy this variable emp underscore id and paste between this parentheses. Once the record is deleted successfully, I want to display the message. For that I'm using print method employee id comma is deleted successfully. That's it. Let's run this code. Click run. See, here we got a prompt with the enter employee ID. In our table, emp table, let's browse the table. In our table, emp table contains 2 records. Let's delete the employee ID 1. Click enter. See, here we got a message employee ID 1 is deleted successfully. Let's check the output. Browse. See, the Charan has been deleted successfully from this emp table. Let's delete this one also, emp ID. I'm running this code again. Now enter 2, which is the employee ID. Enter. The employee ID 2 is also deleted successfully. Let's check. Browse the table. So now we got no records in this table. That's it.